Hello crypto ninjas, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into how AI is shaking up industries and why AI-focused cryptocurrencies could see massive gains. We've got two huge news stories fueling this trend, and I'll break down 3 AI cryptos to watch, including their current prices, 2030 forecasts, and potential upside. This is for educational purposes only. Crypto is volatile, so do your own research and never invest more than you can afford to lose. First, the news. Promise Robotics, a Calgary-based company from Alberta, Canada, is using AI and robots to revolutionize home construction. They're partnering with major builders like Mattamy Homes in a 60,000 square foot facility to make building faster and cheaper, tackling the housing crisis head-on. Second, Amazon is planning to deploy robots across its U.S. plants, potentially replacing up to 600,000 jobs by 2033. This shift to AI-driven logistics and manufacturing is a game-changer for tech adoption. Why does this matter for crypto? These trends point to soaring demand for AI in robotics and automation. Decentralized AI platforms on the blockchain can deliver scalable solutions like AI agents for robot control or GPU power for simulations. Here are 3 top AI cryptos to watch. First, Artificial Superintelligence Alliance or FET. FET powers autonomous AI agents, perfect for coordinating robots in construction or logistics. Current price is around $1.40. By 2030, it could hit $18.63, a potential 1,230% increase. Second, Bittensor or TAO. TAO's decentralized machine learning network supports smarter robots in manufacturing. Current price is around $391. Forecasts suggest $2,885 by 2030. A possible 617% upside. And third, Render. Render provides decentralized GPU power for AI computations, ideal for robot design simulations. Current price is around $3.63. By 2030, it could reach $49.10, a 1,253% potential gain. These cryptos are well positioned for the AI robotics boom, but markets are unpredictable, so stay sharp. If you enjoyed this, hit that like button, subscribe for more crypto insights, and drop a comment. Which AI crypto are you watching? Thanks for watching, see you next video.